muli ang stroke zombie na vampire ng smoothie. Ito, meron tayong blackberry. Yan. Napakabangong blackberry. Tapos, banana. Yan. Tapos, half cup of oatmeal. Roll oats oatmeal na. Roll oats, huwag yung instant. Tapos, Yakult. Lagyan natin ng konting water. Lagyan din natin ng cinnamon. Ayan na, meron tayong blackberry, banana,
Water.
roll oats, Yakult,
Water.
cinnamon for taste,
And
saka
what?
konting water.
That's the water. That's
Yeah.
berries.
I-mix na natin yan. Yan ang pang-amso. Lalagyan din natin ng
Sugar.
almond.
Almond.
Sliced almond.
Oh, that's peanut.
Almond nuts yan. Almond. Yan. Bibili natin sa dali ha. Okay, natapos na. Meron naman lalak na si Bud Batchoy. Tapos na smoothie.